Inform your friends to join the class. It will start at 8:30. I will post the quiz for today's session at 8:20. If you are able to done early, you can join it and it will not prolong at 9:15 for that. Can you put in the group to join the class? It will start 5 more minutes. I will continue the session through. Can you open Python? Ideally or in the command prompt. Anything is fine. Good evening. Is it audible? Can I respond?
Yes.
The morning we told to install as pipe packages. If you want to do any of the packages with that, then we have go for that pipe and followed by install. What are all the packages you have to import? See, while doing any projects or while doing any problems, some packages has to be included. As like you are doing the C or C++ program, you are using hash include std.h, hash include conio.h, std.h, like that. So because the functions are available in that header files. The same way, whenever doing in the Python program, we have to use that functions available in that. Then you should be to import the packets for them. To making the import of the packages, you should be get your Python should be installed with the pipe. Then pipe followed by install what are the package to be required. For that we have to do it. So I think morning session everyone should be get it but Python version. Everyone have its own Python version, and some when we have a 22.0 or 20.3 that version, so we get it. We check with the Python underscore version. So everyone you give it what is the versions available in your system. So after that I told to give what is that
Still people are connecting.
the last 4 minutes. If you join it, then it will continue. Just intimate to join it. The last 3 more minutes to start. let's go with that session. So today we are talking about the packages. The what do you mean by packages you're using in Python? So what is the use of that packages? Any packages Python, it is actually the user friendly, and it is used to solve any complex problems in scientific computing or any data visualization or for data modeling or any other fields. If you want to do anything, that means if you want to do any project, we should be required that packages should be involved in that one. What is package? Package is nothing but collection of modules. See, the modules that may be related to each one another, it's mainly in available for other packages. When modules are belongs to external packages, then that external package should be required for the program, that must be imported. That should be what? Import from that one. If we are using header files, right, the same thing I should be imported, and that can be used it in my program. See, for that we called as in packages. Then how to import the packages? I should be use a keyword import and followed by the package name. See, before importing I should be install that one packages. For that you should be use a keyword pipe followed by install, and whatever the keyword or whatever the package I should be required for the program, that name should be given. The pipe install followed by camel case. The morning class I thought about camel case. So what is the use of that? I should be any of the sentence, I should be make uppercase letter for that word. Then I am using a function hump uppercase for that given word. For that function is available in which package? Camel case package. For that, first I should be install the camel case, then I can use import camel case function, then I can use the particular function in the given program. The same way we have list of packages are available. Depends on your application, you should be go with the different types of packages. The morning we did we have packages with the camel case, Numpy, OpenCV for the reading the images. I should be talking about anything with the images, then we go for the CV packages, OpenCV packages. If you want to do any arithmetic operation, then we can go for numerical packages. So today we have to discuss something about what is the numerical packages. What is Numpy? What is the full form of Numpy? Anyone can answer? What is the full form of Numpy? Numpy is called any chat message? Numerical.
Numerical Python.
Very good. It's a Numpy is called as a numerical Python. Where I am using this one? Any idea? You are mathematics, right? We are using in mathematics. Anything? If you want to do any linear algebra, or if you want to do for the Fourier transform or any
Matrix.
matrix representation, for these type of applications or simple arithmetic operations also we are using Numpy for that one. Can you define how to write an array in Python? What is the similarity for the array in Python? What will be using? Do you aware about list? Akshay will be explain about list and tuples.
Array size.
Yeah, what is list? What is the difference between array and list? Sorry, list and tuples.
Tuples cannot be changed.
Okay, list. Okay, see, we talked about array. So we actually Numpy is for Numpy Python, numerical Python. Whenever I have to use for array representation, we can use for Numpy as a package. I should be installed for that one. Then how to declare an array and how to print an array. So I'm talking about array. You know array C. What is an array in C language? Same definition array.
Group of
Array is a
elements.
group of collection of elements of with same data line. So how to read an array and how to print an array. So my question is, I have to read an array of 5 elements. I want to print an array. How to write a Python program for that? Can you do it now? I will share my screen. The simultaneously we can do it. See, now we should be in that drive. You can click Python. You can move on to that folder. Then you can type See, we have, I told it's import, IMPO, import Numpy. See, this Numpy is a package name. Import Numpy. After that, you can take any variable array followed by Numpy dot, you can create array. I am declaring an array. So you can directly declare the array. What is the size? No need to mention the size. You can declare. Say I am with the elements. I am declaring an initialization with the array. That array is a variable. Numpy is the name of the variable. Through and function array. I am initialization with 1, 2, 3, 4 value. Again, I want to print an array. I am calling a function print array. What is the expected output of this? You are getting that array value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I am through Numpy. I am just I use as a packages. What is the package name? What is the name of the package I am using right now?
Numpy.
Yeah, very good. See, now I am calling a Numpy, using a Numpy through the call array. See, array is an object in the Numpy. See, array is one. See, you can also create, what is an object of the array Numpy? Numpy is called an object of that is ND array. What is the type of that array? The type of the array in Numpy, it is called ND array. You know, class int, class double, class character. What is the type of that? I can also check what is the type of the array. How to check the type of the array? We told by default the type of the array should be ND array. Then how to check the type of the array? What is the statement? Can I give it right now?
Type ARR.
Print. I want to get print, right? Print type followed by where it is stored. What is the variable name?
ARR.
Very good. Can I close it? Can I press it? See now, what is the class of the array? Array np dot nd array. See, nd array is an object of Numpy. What type of object? Array object. The array object is that one. Can you go for that? See now, I am using in the program is Numpy only, right? See, instead of Numpy, see, you know what do you mean alias? What is alias? See, you have that another name. In the home you will call it a pet name, so other name. Instead of calling with your name, there is a short name for yours. You can call with the short name also. Then it is called as what? Alias. Instead of I'm calling every function as a Numpy. See, any function I want to call, you can use Numpy for that one. Instead of Numpy, you can also store import Numpy has NP. You can take anything, not only import Numpy has what? NP. What is the meaning of that? Wherever you should be write NMU MPY, you can write as NP. Clear? So I want to check what is the version of Numpy. How to type? How to check the version of Numpy? Print np dot underscore version. Everyone getting this? Import Numpy has NP. See, NP is a aliases. Instead of you can also, if you don't use NP, then you can call import Numpy. Here I want to check the version of that. What is the variable I want to create? Can I take NP or Numpy now? Numpy dot underscore version underscore. Clear? What is the difference between the previous two lines and these two lines? You get an idea? Can I go for the next one? If you're comfortable with this, I will move on to the next one. How to create? See now it is list. This is the way of representation of list, right? Array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to create a tuples using Numpy array? Any idea? how to create, my next question is how to create a tuples using Numpy array. If anyone know, can tell me how to write it.
What, ma'am?
Yeah, I want to create tuples by using Numpy array. The previous is I am creating list by using what? Numpy array. Now I have to create tuples. Can I write? Import Numpy has NP. Next line, you create a variable. Next, NP dot, instead of NUPY, I create NP. I am calling array. Then how to create tuples? This is square bracket or parenthesis?
Parenthesis.
If you use square bracket, it is called as what? List. Yeah, that difference you should be know. If you use parenthesis, it is called as what? Tuples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, great. Then what is the next statement? Print array. If you press, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now I am creating tuples as an array. Any doubt? Can I go for the next? How to create zero-dimensional array? How to create zero-dimensional array? That is what? Or one-dimensional array. This is the initial. This is for one-dimensional array we call, right? So we have only one. Then whatever you have created the initial, the previous first line np.array, it is called as what? One-dimensional array. See, one-dimensional array can be represented as see what is that one? Say one-dimensional array is the same thing. See, instead of that, if you are creating this line, see this line will be represented with what? Square bracket. So if you create like this, see this is for what? I have to create once again import numpy has np and then array np dot array of how many elements? Only one dimensional array. You can create any numbers. Say this is as called as an that one dimensional array. You get it? Then how to write two dimensional array? How to write two dimensional array? I want to get the output in. I will show you. 1, 2, 3. Within bracket 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. I will share 1 minute. So I want to get 1, 2, 3. In the next line, I want to get 4, 5, 6. So then if I want to get display in this format, what is the command to write it? 1, 2, 3. The next line should be 4, 5, 6. This is an array. The array with the square bracket 1, 2, 3, the first one. The second two dimension, this is a 4, 5, 6. I want to get this. How to pass a command? Can anyone share the screen? I will tell you the command to type it and you can run it.
Question.
Say how to create two-dimensional array. If you're done with that, then go for the three-dimensional array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Import Numpy has NP, then array np dot array square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is the first element. Then you have to put one more comma, then 4, 5, 6. Okay, close the bracket. Then how many bracket I use it? np dot array 1, 2, import np file. I should be use one more square bracket. See, this is an array, right? You can use one more square bracket. Okay, now print two bracket, print array. See now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? The same way you
Screen
can
not
create
visible.
any. Screen is not visible? Just check it out now. Screen is visible? You can also run it in ideal also. Then how to check the dimension of that array? See what you can create any types of array. How to check the dimension of the array? What is the command for the dimension?
Bracket.
What will be the expected output of this line? Print ARR is the variable and this is the function. This is the variable as NDIM. What is the NDIM? Dimension of that one. What is the dimension of this we are expecting? Can you even say what is the output of this line? Previously, I am creating that array with how many variables? How many array? What type of array this one? Two-dimensional array or one-dimensional array? Is it correct? The print n-dimensional array. This is that the answer is 2 because whatever I am creating this line, it is with respect to two-dimensional array. Any doubt? Can I go the next? Thumbs up if you are clear with NP array. That's what is an NP. This is for what? Numerical array. For that you have to use packages by using Numpy packages. If you go for the next topic. What are you doing? So the next question is, I want to generate a random number. What the function can be used in C program? How to random number. Do you have any function in C? Then how to do it in Python? How to do it in Python? Yes, random function is there available 2D. Okay. Then how to do it in Python? Is it required any packages to be import? See, in Numpy also it supports what? Random. Then what is the name of the function to be called random function? Import random, okay. The import random from where? Numpy only. The Numpy is also supports for that. Then you should be right in that command prompt. Type it command prompt. So you can type like this. My screen is visible, right? Go to command prompt. From Numpy, import random. So I'm importing random from where? Numpy packages. Then I'm creating one variable x, random package name through variable rand. What type of random number you require? Either you want integer number or you want float number. According to that, you can generate a random number. Now I'm requiring the random number with int from which range you want to rate. You can mention the range of that one and press print that variable. What is the expected output of this? Anyone can run and share the screen for this. From Numpy import
Any value between 0 to 100.
yeah any, that's what the 100 is means. Say I can generate any random from 100. If you want 1000, you can type 1000.
Upper limit.
Anything, upper limit, the maximum limit. Yes, very good, upper limit only. Anyone can share. If you got the output, I will go. If you get this, I will go for the next one. From Numpy import random x random dot rand 8000 print x. If you not get, I will show the output. Yes, very good, Kushi. Yes, Kushi will get 67. With the same program, if someone is, if you run once again, Kushi, can you able to get the same 67? Don't print it. You call the function. X is equal to random dot randint dot 100. Now you print it. See, correct? So what is the meaning of that, Kushi? Anytime if you call random function, there are the random number generated. What is the range? Can you get 1000, Kushi, instead of 100? Just copy and paste. Change 1000 or 2000 or 10,000, anything is fine. Yes, good. Print the text value. Yes, got it. What is the upper limit of that? 10,000 she gave it. Then what is the answer we will getting? 4,963. So good for that one. See, anyone can share other than Kushi. I will tell you how to generate a random number for the float values. Anyone can share the screen. I will tell you the command to check it out. Then others also can try the same simultaneously. Gurudat, Samat, anyone, Rohit. Or anyone, if you tried, can you show the screen? Generate a float value, the float number, random float number. Any idea? Can you put in the chat box? What is the function for the float? See, whatever you are spending time should be learning time. Don't waste the time to get it. Random dot random. Apurva, did you give that one? You got the output of that? Don't hesitate. We are all at learning stage. Okay. To learn only we are there here. Say all of you type. If you are not able to, Kushi, can you share the screen? Okay, just you type. So the first line is same. Yeah, very good. From Numpy as import. Okay, you Kushi can type it. The same line, the first line is same. From Numpy import random. Yes, good. That the package is same for the random number. See, once you call that one, no need to call once again for that one. If you are writing the program, then every time it should be included. Next line, x is equal to random dot. So random is the name of the package name dot rand, R-A-N-D, rand. Open and close. Apurva, instead of random, you should be called only the rand. See, this rand function, it will get the value of the float value. You keep it in, remember, the float value always generate. There is no upper limit. There is no, you have between the range 0 to 1. That lower limit is 0, the upper limit is 1. Between the range 0 and 1, it will generate any one random number. That is the float. Can you press enter, Apurva? Then print x value. Yeah, got it right? See, what is the meaning of that? So you can also generate random number from that word rand as a function. Using rand function, you can generate any of the random between the range 0 to 1. I think clear between what do you mean by integer and what do you mean by float. Can you thumbs up? If you are no doubt, then I will move on to the next topic. I don't know others what you are doing. Only the Kushi will get it thumbs up. Others, yes, Arshita is doing. The next, only 2. We have 53 are there. Okay. Thank you. The next one. See, the now integer is done, float is done. Let me go for how to generate a random in array. So we have array. So the array element of the random from 1 to 100. Within 1 to 100, you should be pick any 5. We don't know what is there in that one. See, so they generate one dimensional array containing with a 5 random integer from 0 to 100. This is my question. What is the question? Generate a one-dimensional array containing 5 random integer from 0 to 100. So this is my question I put in the chat box. Can you tell me how to do it? Any idea?
Import NP.
Import. Can you tell me just once again, 1 minute? Same random function. Very good. Interim random number. Declare array use for loop to generate 5 random numbers may be. No need to declare random dot random 100. Little bit correct, Afrin. Little bit you should be get it. No need to define array. So directly you can call random int. Afrin, can you share the screen? I will tell you the command. Afrin, if you share the screen, I will tell you the command. Don't hesitate it. Okay, nothing will be happen. Just share the screen. Or Apurva can share the screen. Samarth? Yes, Apurva, good. Apurva, can you go with that? First statement is same. No need to change in that one. From Numpy import random. We are in the package of Numpy. Yes, very good. The next line. X is equal to random. Random is the package name. Dot. So our array can have float value. Array can have float value. The content is rand int, rand int. The integer of that random generating. Open the parenthesis. What is the question is in that? What is the maximum of array size? What is the maximum of array size? 100, right? You write 100. 100, 100. Comma. How many random number? No, don't close it. Comma. How many random number I want to generate within 100? How many random number I want to generate? 5. So don't write only 5. Write size size. Size. Size equals. Open the parenthesis. Open the parenthesis. Mention the size. 5. Close the parenthesis. 2 parentheses should be closed. Okay. Enter. Yes. Very good. Print X. Yes. You get it now? 90, 81, 61, 50. If you run once again, Apurva, can you once again run it? Change the size 10. Size 10. Okay, now we get it any number, right? If you declare the first parameter should be what is the maximum size of array. No need to insert the values into the array. It's randomly pick the values in that array. Then in that, whatever the size you want to get it, that number of array will be printed. Any doubt? See, what are the things we learned from now? See, what is an array? What is what is the use of Numpy? How to use aliases is Numpy as a NP, and I can also check the creation of one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array. After creating an array, I can use the dimensional as an array. What is the variable you should use the dimensional? NDIM. NDIM is the variable to access the dimensional. After that, fifth topic, I move on to the random number generation. I am using a package name random. This random is also Now, so let's continue. So now the next task is I want to do addition of array. How to do for addition of array? See, we have two array. The two array with the content with three elements in the array. You take an example. I want to add simple arithmetic operations and array. So how to do addition of two arrays? You do that for C language. How to add addition of two matrix, multiplication of two matrix with the length of code. How many format you are written? How many printf function you have written? The reading scanf, printf, addition of arrays, and multiplication of array for that one. So can you do addition of two arrays by using Python? Then you should be using what is the package name? Numpy package you should be raised. So that's the program. Are you ready to do for a simple arithmetic operation? Yes or no? Thumbs up. Anyone can share the screen, I will tell you. The command to do it. The same time can. Yeah, Amina, can you share the screen? Can you share the screen?
Ma'am, I have joined through my phone, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Someone can you do it?
Question.
Anyone is fine. Can I show me only? If no one is ready. Okay, I think my screen is visible. Yes. You type import. Numpy has NP. Then you declare how many array you want. To add addition of two numbers, how many array you want? You declare the first array. You can take any number. The second array I declare as array 2. I'm assigning the value to the array NP array. Forty, 50, 60. Then how to add the array? Use a command. Add the array. See, I am calling new array. I am calling the new variable new array that contains addition of two array. Then I should be called a function add np dot add. Open the parenthesis. You can call that the array 1 comma array 2. Okay, now addition of array 1 and array 2 will be stored in the new array. You can call the print function print new array. Then you get an output. 10 plus 40, 50, 20 plus 50, 70, 30 plus 60 is 90. Any doubt? If anyone typed the same program, can you share the screen? Can you go for the subtraction? Can anyone show the subtraction of the two array? What is the command I should be used for the subtraction? Yeah, very good. A1 it means subtraction is correct. Okay. Can you do a question for the subtract? I will show that all the arithmetic operation with respect to array. We have element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the command for subtract? Says you can take NP or N, yes, very good. Subtract, SUB. We don't have any shortcut for SUB. We have a complete name, TRAC, followed by A1, A2. Second, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Clear? Okay. Then the next style one. Multiplication. You do multiplication of two arrays. See why the Python is beautiful compared to C. See, if you want to do anything that, see, we should be read an array, store it, we should be call for function, the length mentioned, and then we should be use the multiplications. Here directly call the built-in function. N dot, correct, very good. A4. You can take A4 variable. A4, N dot, multiply. MULTIPLY. PLY. Multiply, open. What is the error you are getting? Now the spelling mistake. Multiply. MUN. Yes, just check it out. 4 ones are 4, 2 fives are 10, 6 threes are 80. Clear, I think? Let me go for the next. Next division. So can I try with the division? The division is DIVIDE. Divide array 1 comma array 2. This is the division of 1 by 4, 2 by 5, 3 by 6. This can also done by this. So next, sixth operation. Fifth operation. How to check the power? Power of that. 2 to the power of 1 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 3 to the power of 6. You can also check power. N dot power of, you should be make it which power you want. Array 1 to the power of array 2 or array 2 to the power of array 1. See, the first one will be taken as a base, second one will be taken as the power. Okay, first one will be taken as a base, the second one will be taken as the power of that one. So whichever you're comfortable to do the programming depends on the problem statement. You can give that as a power. Let's enter. Okay, this is what? Power of 1 to the power of 4 is how much? 4 will be 2 to the power of 5 how much? 32. 2 to the power of 6 is 729. Okay, next. I get a reminder. So when I am divided by 1 by 4, I want to get a reminder. So how to get a reminder? NP dot modulus, MOD. The modulus we are using in the C language, right? Percentage symbol you are using. Here we are using MOD. Dot. Modulus followed by array 1, array 2. Array 1, you just type MOD modulus. Kushi. MOD. Yes, very good. Next. Array 1, array 2. Yes, you print A7. Yes. So what is the modulus of 1, 2, 3 because 4, 5, 6 higher than for that one. If you give other value, array 1, array 2, then we can check it out. To change the array value, then you can check it out the mod value is working on. Yes. You are doing it, you will get it. The next. So next task is anyone can answer before I tell the command. Now this one I got divided. Wait, don't just. I want to get the previous I did divide. Next that I did modulus. To get both quotient as well as the modulus. So one array it should be stored quotient, another array it should be stored modulus. But that is remainder. Remainder is also stored, quotient is also stored. Printing two different array that answer. Then how to do the program? We have two array 1 and array 2. When I am applying the operation, I want to get both quotient as well as the modulus value, remainder value as well as the quotient value. See, both it should be stored in two different. So I want to get it that part. Any idea? Anyone can tell me how to do it of that one? Could you can check it? If we give instead of mod, if we type remainder, what is the difference between the mod and remainder? Check it out both. You're getting both are same. You should be remember. So then remainder and mod both are doing the same task. If you want to print the remainder of that array, you can call as a remainder. You can call mod. Okay. So let me go. What is the question I asked it? I need quotient and remainder both. Quotient and remainder both I want to print it. What is the function name? Any idea? You can type it now. A8 is equal to, very good, bin dot biv. D for division. D dot div mod modulus. Div mod same thing. Bracket. Which one you want to do it? Which array? A1 comma A2. Next. Print it. 28. So now check it out. Now that is the division. The first will show the quotient. The second one will show the modulus of that one. That is the remainder. If you do reverse, you will get the reverse values. 4 divided by 1, if you do it, you will get reverse. Why with the difference? A8 is equal to A9 is equal to N the VIV mod A2 comma A1. Clear? The next. Implement the absolute. What do you know the absolute? Why is it required? You have doing program wherever you there the quadratic equation program in the first semester, you are using that absolute terms. Other program is also using absolute for doing the series. What is the meaning of absolute? Anyone can answer?
Exact.
You want to get exact value or you want to truncate over negative numbers, right? Only I want to get positive value. See, she can create array with the negative numbers. Create array with negative numbers. N dot array open -2, 3 or something. Positive or negative both you can create it. Okay, this is my question. I want to get only the positive numbers in that array. How to make it that absolute? I want to make all negative numbers also positive. I want to get only the positive of that one. How to use the function name? What is absolute of that?
N dot fabs.
Very, very good. You can give it n dot ab so you can call abs also, but it's also possible. You can pass absa. Yes, print a. Clear? You can try with absolute also. So there here is in fabs, but for now we are using abs here. ABS are absolute. ABSOLUTE, absolute A. So that is also getting the same answer. Clear? So how to make absolute in that array, you can also make it. So next question. See how to make the truncation. Somebody was asking the beginning of the second class, he asked it how to truncate the value to only two decimal. We are getting the 16 to 17 number, right? While we are printing that value. See now you can call x is equal to 1.2. Just you type 1.2. Print x value. So the next you have a truncation that is for your rounding of the decimal number. See if you are how to decimal the value, see whatever the value you are passing that, see for example you have only 2, right? We will truncate for that one. See we have a number with 1.6, see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the decimal you have a 10 decimals are there, digits. So I want to truncate it to 1, or I don't want to print anything on the decimal point. I want to get only that dot symbol. I don't want to get anything after that. It should be round up to 0. Closest. See how to use the function. We have a rounding to decimal. We have 5 varieties. Truncation, fix, rounding, floor, set. See now we have tried with the today's class rounding, truncation and fix. See can you go with the command prompt to type it? Of course you can type import numpy as numpy. Array equals numpy t n dot trunc. You type like that is fine. Array arr any variable, that's the array any variable equals np dot trunc. Open parenthesis with a square bracket. So I am creating two array values. Both the array I am making the decimal to 0 minus anything 3.165, 3.1656. One number, comma, another number, 3 decimal number, comma, 4.6789, anything, you can give it. So after that, 145 decimal number. Okay, this is my number. You dot include. Okay, press enter. So now I have to print array. This truncation, what will be the output of that? What you are getting? Trunc, trunc. See, you put comma, right? 3, 4.567. See that my decimal is small, you give it that. You give array. Just a minute, you just type array. It will convert into more Excel that one. Array dot equals np, that is n dot trunc. Open parenthesis square, you just pass minus 3.166. N number pass, just 16, okay? Other number. Just press enter. No, don't give that number, just give it two variable. So by third one, previous we getting that minus 1656. 4 point. So now you can check it out. See, now you do same thing, Kushi, the third variable. See, anything after the point, you have any number, it will be decimal to what? Round up to 0. I don't want to display anything on that. After that, it will take only the integer part. See, he not display any of the decimal value in that one. If you use truncate. Truncation, fixing, both are doing the same thing. Instead of trunk, you can do fix. The last one you can do fix. Instead of trunk, you can use fix F5X. Press enter. That's all. Okay. Try with the previous first problem. TRUNC, the first one you gave it, right? Try.n. Just you give fix this one. Minus 3, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 7. So if you press more than 3, we're getting this. Okay. So I want to make only after the decimal 2 values. So if you use truncation and fix, I'm getting the decimal part should be complete part should be 0. So if you don't want to get complete part to be 0, I want to display at least 2 digits. So what I want to display at least 2 digits. If you want to get at least 2 digits, you can use for the rounding function. That is for the round how many decimal you want to get. Can you give Kushi? MP dot one value I have to pass. How many rounding you should be get, you should be give it. One number. Just remove that one. The last second number. Just remove it. 23. You just press correct comma. One no there before the square bracket itself only. Comma. This is 2. That means 3.16 is my number and decimal to 2 digits. 2. Okay, enter. Alright. So now what happens in AROUND, sorry. This is round means it is same as that only. Just you have to give AROUND. ARR equals to N dot AROUND. AROUND open parenthesis square bracket. See any value 5.678 anything you can give. Anything. It's not only negative number. Anything you can give. 5. Okay, comma. How many decimal you want to give? If you want 2 decimal, comma 2. 3 decimal, comma 3. Okay, 2 you give it. Okay. Press enter. Print ARR. What happened? You click call printer. Printer. Instead of array, you can call printer. It should be get it as 3.16. Don't use square bracket. Don't use square bracket. Just remove the square bracket. The square bracket will be taken as 2 variable. It will be taken as a 2 list. Okay, this is the passing parenthesis. Okay. Just IR. Okay, no. If you give square bracket, it will be taken as an array value. Because array value, it will round up to what? The second decimal period. So this is, we can do, so many arithmetic operation can be done it by using of this. Divide array, remainder array, remainder quotient can we do this command, print np dot divide array. So you can do it. You get it right? Yes. Print np dot divide. Yeah, directly that is nothing. That is only the printing in the same line. Okay. You can also get it. Thank you, Kushi, for share the screen and do it, whatever I told it now. I think now this 1 hour we learned about some packages called Numpy.
Because we have so many packages. If you are come to CS or EC, with the Python is one subject and you are learning there, the more in the lab, that your A and ML lab and those who are doing data science, any of the projects, not only the CS, but it is for all the branch, the Python for the package is very important. We have still so many packages are there. Panda packages is there, Matplotlib, if you want to go for the plotting for the graph, if you want to read images, also we have other packages. We will be continue that all the packages the remaining session. So now we learn about today's class is Numpy. Okay. Any doubt? I will post the quiz for the today. Once then everyone should be fill the quiz. I will post the quiz in Google Class only, and you can complete it in the Google Class that quiz only. Okay. Thank you. And tomorrow session, we will put in the class. The sir will be telling to conducting the evening, and if not possible evening tomorrow. What time you have Java? Anyone can message me what time you have Java? 1:30 to 3:30. Okay, if possible, we will try to conduct sir's order 6 to 9 tomorrow evening. Is it okay? 6 to 9? Tomorrow evening at 6 to 9. Or else we will cover up tomorrow morning at 10:30 to 10 to 10 to 12. The same timings. Like that. So this morning is from busy, so he's not able to commit for that session. We plan to come and do the sir asking the time for the evening. Then we schedule that class at the evening session from 6 o'clock. The same chat box 6 to 9. Or morning I will go with if you don't want that evening, the morning I will cover other packages with 10 to 10 to 12. Just you put something, then I can make a plan to arrange for that class. Anything you want to discuss, you can also can schedule that half an hour or 1 hour that evening if you require for that class with sir. So 10 to 12 is okay? Yeah. Okay, thank you. I will freeze the timings for 10 to 12. Okay, thank you. I will close the quiz just like I will post a quiz in Google class code. Can everyone can be doing? You can leave the class in this. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Ma'am, it's no longer accepting responses.
I will give that credential to do it. Okay. Yeah, I gave it. Check it out.